Nakakatuwa yun.
Not that the quality is better, but no, once you are 9, 10, 11 years old, you can have your monthly period, there is a bit of blood in it, and the tendency...
Ma'am, good morning. Magpipicture si ma'am o magli-lipstick si ma'am. Ah? Ayan o, nasa town hall ng Brussels. Diba? Brussels is a city of Belgium. Ano ma'am, masarap ba ang ano ng Brussels?
Okay, masarap naman.
Masarap ba ang chocolate?
Masarap, Belgian chocolate.
Okay, ayan. Sige, mag-picture muna si ma'am. Okay, hello. Ayun na nga. So, gabi na kami dumating dito sa Holiday Inn Brussels. Okay, coming from Luxembourg. So, medyo nagpahinga muna tayo dito at nag-relax tayo. So, we check the room, we check the lobby. So, maraming mga guest na nag-check in. So, ayan, mga kasamahan namin galing sa Manila. Okay? So, siya nga pala, itong Holiday Inn dito is parang ano lang siya, mababa lang siya, 7th floor lang yan. Okay, so after breakfast, we went out. Sinundo tayo ng ating coach captain na si Stefan. So, sayang nga lang at maraming mga streets dito na sarado dahil may marathon. Then, minute na tayo ng ating tour guide.
Big part of the city is entirely blocked, but there are many things to show you by foot in the old city center. So please put on your jackets and we get out of the bus. And I show you the main square, the little peeing boy, and many stories to tell. Is the baking center of city. We stand for power and for courage. And also a lion, an eagle, or in Asia a dragon, for instance, or there would show Saint Michael. Like in Rome, there a long time ago also. And it was the general of the army of God, defeated an army of demons, so we stand for power and courage. The other name is Saint.
Of course, so ipinasyal na tayo dito sa mga classic na mga building na to. So, Belgium chocolate dito kasi ginagawa yung Belgium chocolate. Napakasarap ng Belgium chocolate. So, ito yung building na displayan nila. Dahil ang sinasabi niya rito nung araw, yung Queen at saka King, ito yung ipinagawa nilang building para sama-sama yung mga tao. So, ayun na nga. So, sinasabi niya rito yung mga old na mga products ng Belgium, Brussels, Belgium, kung saan nabili, saan ka dapat bumili, saan ang masarap. So, yun, binigyan tayo ng mga tips ng ating tour guide. So, katulad ng sabi natin, may mga nagtatakbuhan dito na ano, may marathon nga. Kaya tignan nyo, may marami tayong masasalubong na marathoners. Yan. So, they are doing this Brussels Marathon once a year daw. So, big day sa kanila ngayon. Holiday. Kaya yung isang establishment na pupuntahan namin ay sarado. Dahil nga holiday ngayon.
Wala naman daw lindol.
So, ayan yung mga marathon na nakakatuwa. Okay? So, ang Brussels ay katulad ng ibang cities ng Belgium na punong-puno ng very historical ba.
Ngayon, sa kaliwa ang Intramuros.
Mga buildings, mga infrastructures nila. Diba? Tingnan mo ang sahig nila, dinadaanan ng kotse. Ano lang siya, parang bricks, cobblestone. So, ngayon dahil may marathon, bawal yung mga sasakyan dito sa lugar na to.
And also garbage cans, also Saint Michael. So Saint Michael, you find him everywhere in the city. Yeah? But okay, the reason I brought you more important is this, of course. So it's the wall around the city. We are at the oldest wall of the city. Yeah? I told you Brussels is not a very old city, a bit more than 1,000 years old. And like every city, we start from
Yan, so mga old buildings. napakagaganda ng mga structures dito, mga buildings. So across Europe pare-pareho yata sila. Kaya lang ang nakita ko medyo mas luma yung Antwerp, di ba? Medyo makabago dito ang mga designs, mga buildings nila. Ayan. So pumasok tayo dito sa isang malaking simbahan. Do medyo madilim na, pero marami pa rin tao sa loob. So tahimik lang yung mga tao dito. Nabubusog ang mga mata sa mga nakikita. Ako nga busog na busog. So yun, 1914. Matagal na rin, ano? So malaking simbahan, pero parang museum lang. Hindi ko alam kung may mga misa dito, kung maraming tao ang nag-a-attend. So just like the other cities, may tram din dito. So efficient. Bawal kasi dito yung mabibigat na sasakyan na ano, kaya malayo ang parking. Siguro you will be walking around 20 minutes. Ayan, medyo malayo kasi sabi nga nila iba dating lubog ito, parang mga buildings nakatayo lang sa mga stilts. Okay?
Now he found that children didn't like medicaments too much. And what did he do? He took the little pill, got the tower. On top we see Saint Michael, patron Saint Thomas. And that's on the main square. And when we are there, the tour will almost be over. And then afterwards, you have free time. I heard that you want to have lunch. Once you are 9, 10, 11 years old, you can have your monthly period. There is a bit of blood in it, and the tenants didn't want to take it. They forgot when they put the blood in it, so I don't know.
Ma'am, good morning. Magpipicture si ma'am o magli-lipstick si ma'am. Ha? Ayan o, nasa town hall ng Brussels. Diba? Brussels is a city of Belgium. Ayan. Ano ma'am, masarap ba ang ano ng Brussels?
Okay, masarap naman.
Masarap ba ang chocolate?
Masarap, Belgian chocolate.
Okay. Ayan. Sige, magpicture muna si ma'am.